Yes.
We are being recorded. So, welcome all. The aim of this meeting is to say hello and welcome to all participants in ONL 192. We're recording the meeting so that you know that we're doing that. Your names will not be visible in the recording, but it will be available for those who can't join today to see what we do today. So just so you know, for GDPR, our new favorite. I'm Lotta Åbjörnsson, educational developer at Lund University in the south of Sweden. Today I'm at home because I have a sick child. So I hope my Wi-Fi will do, but I have surrendered the reign over this meeting to Jörg. So it'll be fine anyway. My colleagues in the organizing team, maybe you should present yourselves too.
Yeah, hi everyone. I'm Maria Kvarnström. I work as an educational developer at Karolinska Institutet, Stockholm, Sweden.
Hi everyone, I'm Lars Uhlin, working also as an educational developer at Karolinska, but also at two other universities like Linköping and Mälardalen in Sweden.
And my name is Jörg Pareiges. I'm the head of the Center for Teaching and Learning at Karlstad University in the middle of Sweden.
Oh, and I'm Alistair Creelman from Linnaeus University in Kalmar in the south east of Sweden. So we're all rather Swedish.
Well, more or less anyway. Just to explain the roles here, we're a team of 5 people organizing the course. We just presented ourselves. And then we have a number of colleagues who are facilitators from the different participating universities. We have quite a few of those with us here. We have, let's see, we have Gregor and Danielle from Oldenburg, Germany.
Well, I think there are actually so many of them.
Yes.
We see them also on one of the slides.
Yes, that's
PowerPoint.
Right. Yeah. Okay.
Many of you anyway.
We also have co-facilitators in the course, and a few of those are also present, but look at the course team page on the course website to see who's who. So we're starting off. Yes, Maria.
No, let's start with the PowerPoint. I was going to say, will you share it?
Just a second. I just need to find it. I'm sitting with a very small screen today.
Or shall I share it?
Why? Let's see who's first. No, you share it if you have 2 screens. I'm sorry. Now, here we go.
Yes. So, here we go. So really nice to see so many of you here at this welcoming webinar. And just some basics about webinars and Zoom that we need to, I think, talk about in the beginning, and that is please mute yourself when you're not speaking. I can see that some people have their microphones on, and that means it will be like disturbing noises. So please mute yourself. And we really would like you all to speak. If you have something to say or ask, etc., then you just turn it on. So that's how it works. So this is what we will talk about today. We have introduced us, our organizers. We will talk a little bit about online learning and online meetings. We will look at the course site and talk a little bit about what you would like to take home after the course, after the ONL. And why problem-based learning? What is this fish thing? And then we will wrap it up. So this is the team. This is the slide I meant, Lotta, where you you will see this is the team. organizers, facilitators, co-facilitators, and we have one of the co-facilitators are not in the PBL group. They will have an extra look at all the reflections that will come up in the blog. And we are so happy to have so many people with us. Yeah, lots of people, as you can see, from all over the world. And then over to a little bit about online learning and meetings. And I think this one is for you, Lotta.
Yes. You may not be used to having meetings online. So the things that you need to know, I mean, you found your way here, so that was relatively easy. You need a computer with good internet connection. And if you have a bad connection, you can turn the video off because that saves on bandwidth. Please use a headset, preferably with USB, but as you can see, the one that I've got for my phone works too. So any headset is better than no headset. And please use your camera because it's so much nicer to see faces to people. So if you have a camera, please use that. If for some reason you're not at your desk when we meet, a phone will do the trick too. You go to your app store or what, I don't know what that's called if you have an Android phone, but you go there and you look for the Zoom app, and then you can join meetings using your phone. It works really well. It doesn't require a lot of surf and so on. So it works really well. Most of us will be using Zoom. All facilitators have got access to a Zoom account, so most, I guess, will use that. We used to have other systems before, but especially in South Africa, our participants in South Africa, many of these systems don't work very well, so Zoom is the choice for most of us. So just to try something new, maybe for some of you, we'd like to know if you have been in online meetings before. So if you go to this address, www.menti.com, and insert the code 224498. And please do that now. And I will share my screen. In a second. And we'll see. So it seems as though a lot of you have been using Zoom, and we have nobody has never been. So that's good. Zoom seems to be a very popular choice here. "27 people have been in Zoom meetings, 13 people have been in using other tools, and we have one who has never been to an online meeting. So an extra warm welcome to you, because this is actually a very good thing to know about and to use for lots of different things. I'm sure you will find that.
Yeah, and a question here, how to get back to my browser? Because now you, Lotta, you're sharing of the screen. It's basically what you see, but it's the escape, right?
Yes.
To get it minimized and see your browser.
Yeah. So, yeah. Okay, so we're back. that was a lot of people in 35, 36 Zoom, 16 other tools, 2 never. So welcome to the wonderful world of online meetings then, to all of us.
Sorry, I will share my screen again to pick up on this presentation.
And while you do that, I'll just say that you can change the view on each of our computers is different, and you can swap between gallery view and speaker view. The only thing that you're changing is your own screen, so don't worry about that.
Yes, so now we will talk about experience of online learning, and that you will do in breakout groups. So Lotta, have you thought of how many breakout groups will there be? Can't hear you.
Jörg is the breakout group person, and
okay.
Since we're about 67, I think, at this point, 64, I think maybe 10 groups.
Mm-hmm. 10 groups, okay. Yeah. And so over now to Danielle to introduce these breakout sessions.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Good to see you. I'm really excited for this new journal as co-facilitator. I hope you also enjoy. So we would like to show you other feature from Zoom. As Maria says, it's called breakout rooms. And I would like to share, can I share my screen, Maria? Just to show the participants. And also I will put in our chat. This is one Padlet. Let's share. I create a Padlet, and the idea is that Jörg will send you out into groups, and we would like to let you know each other a little bit. And for do this, we will leave you more or less 5 minutes, I guess, into these groups to discuss your experience in online learning. So it's very easy to use Padlet. It's just a double click, and then you can start to briefly says what is the experience in your group in online learning. I will stop to share my screen. And then, so I will ask to Jörg to arrange the breakout rooms, and each of you will see a message in your screen asking for join a new room. So please click join, and then you go to a new room, and after 5 minutes you will get another message saying that this is time to go back, and you come back to the main room automatically.
Okay. I see some nodding faces, maybe some asking question faces. So I'll, in a second, press on a magic button in Zoom. Not everyone has used that, I think. And you will be split into small groups. Then you click on join group, and you will be finding yourself with a handful of colleagues. And you discuss your experience so far of online learning. Yeah? And the Padlet, please copy beforehand the Padlet link. All right. No questions? Then we go. Into 10 rooms. And I'll open all rooms. And now we should see people disappear. Nice.
And I think, Lotta, you can stop the recording.
Or I can.
Or you can.
Yeah. Or pause.